Hello everyone, this is Chris Rochon, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up. This is the Idem card from GoTrust. As you can see, it's a smart card, but also has some really cool features included. This touch point right here turns on the Bluetooth mode. You can also use this via NFC. It offers FIDO2 and FidoU2F. And we'll give you a quick peek here about the box, what it has to offer. So you can pause this and look at it any time. And some more features about this. This has a battery included, so you can use the smart card reader right here that's included with the box to charge it. And it offers two-factor authentication for services such as Microsoft, Facebook, GitHub, and many more. It works with Windows 10 and Mac, as well as Android phones and iOS 13 and above. This also can work as your smart badge authenticator, so you can actually load in small apps on this card to authenticate you in enterprise situations. This actually also works with Chromebook as well. The standby time is up to 120 days. You can operate up to 60 days if you use this 10 times a day to log in. It works with Microsoft Hello and Mac login systems. So it's pretty much an all-in-one card. It offers access to Twitter as well, Salesforce, and a few others. It supports PIV, PKI, and Physical Access, including HID iClass. And it has Bluetooth Low Energy, as you saw when I touched the touch point here, and you get that blue light with NFC. So you could tap this on devices or just use the touch point to authenticate you at a computer. And if you need to, this has the smart chip here to insert into your computer and authenticate that way. This is Chris Rochon, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram.